Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome and search get into PC. Here you can see that getintopc.com. Click on it and here you can see search website. Search on it Adobe Premiere Pro and here you can see Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021 free download. Click on it. Scroll it down. Here you can see download 64-bit. Click on it. The password is 123. It's actually in RAR file. You should actually extract it from WinRAR. I'll give you the link for downloading it of WinRAR in description. Here you can see it has started to download. The download limit is 700 kbps. Actually, I have already downloaded it, so I'm gonna cancel it. See, I have already downloaded it. Actually, I have converted it into normal file. The password for extracting it is 123. See, you can see here setup. Click on setup. Press S. Continue. It has started to install. Please wait for a moment. It is installed. I have actually renamed it to Pre- Premium Pro 2021. That's it for today, guys. You can see here. Thank you for watching.